Hello friends, we are here on the hill overlooking the eruption site, and as you see here, you can see the lava flow that is going to Fagradalsfjall. It's going over a big hill. There is a big hill that built up, and you see this hill is many meters high, and we also have eruption right now. So you see the massive outpouring of lava, and it's insane. Look how much lava is coming now. It's a massive lava river that is flowing from the volcano. As you see, it is more lava coming than 2 days ago I was here. Much more lava. There is also a big lava lake here to the left, as you see. Lava is flooding Geldingadalur, and it's also built up a big mountain there, like a big hill. Soon this valley will be completely flooded. For some months, if it keeps erupting, it will be the level where I stand. And here you see the current situation. There is hot lava on the edge there. Lava is moving towards the fence. They keep building the fence, and it's already reached the other fence there. Yes. And here is my friend Kevin from England. He arrived from Hull in England to see the volcano.
It's worth the trip if you're thinking about it, guys.
He tells it's worth the trip, yes.
Definitely worth the trip.
Yeah, so to all Englishmen watching from England, he recommends, right?
Yeah, come see it.
Come and see it, he says, yeah. So, this is the current situation today, May 20th, 2021. Quite many people. There is very little pollution. Lava is flowing to Fagradalsfjall, as you see. It's moving into Fagradalsfjall valleys. Most of it looks like it, but it's also spreading here, and part of it probably is going down towards the wall because there is hot lava there. I was doing some experiments there. So there is hot lava all around, as you see. There is a big mountain that is built up here, and lava is flowing on the hill, on the ridge. It's from the ridge here. Lava river is on the ridge, basically, as you see. And the same on the other side. So you also see a massive build-up of lava here. The entire mountains are being built up here. You see, there is also many meters high build-up of lava, and there is lots of hot lava here in Geldingadalur valleys. All around, lots of hot lava. So this is the current situation. All the best to you from Iceland.